Here's the MySQL workflow, supercharged by AI. We'll start by securely connecting the database. Once connected, we can instantly visualize the complete schema, giving us a clear map of all tables and relationships. Let's write a query in plain English. And the AI generates the correct SQL. With the query ready, we'll execute it right in the app. And the results appear instantly. But what if we need safe data for testing? For that, we simply describe the records needed and let the AI generate a full set of realistic mock data. This data can be applied or downloaded immediately. Now that the schema is clear and the tables are populated, let's tackle documentation. We just select a table, and the AI instantly documents everything. From connection to documentation, AI handles the routine tasks. This frees you to focus on building what's next. Try Workik AI for free.